Hello student, today's topic is sum of two vector. Sum of two vector by cosine rule or cosine law. Consider two vector, vector A and vector B, magnitude of vector A is A and vector B is B. There and angle between them is theta as shown in figure. Vector represented by the parallelogram law. Vector A represented by the OP and vector B represented by the OQ. Angle between A vector and B vector is theta. Complete parallelogram. This is resultant of sum of two vector R. OS. OS is the resultant of vector A and vector B. And this is R. Then it means R vector is equal to A vector plus B vector. And magnitude of resultant vector, that is R. Now by the we extend this line and draw a perpendicular this line at point S, and that is point is T, that angle is 90 degree. Magnitude of by the OQ, vector OQ is equal to vector B and magnitude of vector B is B. PS is the parallel to the OQ or vector B, and this is angle also theta because PS is parallel to the OQ, that is theta. Now PT upon PS is equal to cos theta. PT is equal to PS cos theta is equal to B cos theta. Now ST upon PS is equal to sin theta is equal to sin theta. It means PST is equal to B sin theta because PS is equal to B. Okay, and by the triangle OST, this is right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle. OS square is equal to OT square plus ST square. OS represent resultant, magnitude of resultant. OT is equal to OP plus PT. It means OT is equal to OP plus PT. That OT square is equal to OP plus PT whole square. Now ST square. Now R square is equal to OP equals to magnitude of vector A. OP is equal to OP is equal to magnitude of vector A, that is A, plus PT. PT is equal to, that is PT. PT is equal to B cos theta. B cos theta, then whole square, plus ST is equal to B sin theta. Now square. R square is equal to, open this bracket, that is A square plus B square cos square theta plus 2AB cos theta, now plus B square sin square theta. Then R square is equal to A square plus B square is the common, cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now rest part is 2AB cos theta. Now R square is equal to A square plus B square, because cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, plus 2AB cos theta. Then R is equal to under root A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. This is also known as cos rule or an analytical method. Now angle between resultant vector R and vector A is phi. Vector A is phi, that is vector resultant vector R and vector A, that is phi. Now tan phi is equal to perpendicular ST upon base OT. We know that ST is equal to B sin theta upon OT is equal to A plus B cos theta. Hence tan phi is equal to B sin theta upon A plus B cos theta. Thank you. Please like and share my channel. Thank you.